Hello and welcome everyone to the SR Gopal Rao Collective. November isn't just a month to celebrate men in our life, but it is also dedicated to their overall physical well-being and their mental health. It is to recognize all the positive contributions that they make every single day to their families, to the community, and to the entire society. It is about recognizing their strength, resilience, and kindness. And when it comes to honoring these wonderful men in our life, a small gift goes a very long way. A gift that speaks to their unique style, personalities, and to their everyday needs. For a man with the affinity to timeless styles and classic elegance, you can choose these wonderful Ray-Ban that has this full frame metal, and you can see that super lightweight, it's super easy, and it also has comfortable nose bridges. And for someone who really likes a good backstory, these Maybach frames are perfect because they have a great brand history and they also come in these stunning pieces. This particular piece is called the Artist 3, and as you can see, it has all those finer details that any artist would really love. Or if you're looking for something that is really simple, then these beautiful Mobla frames are the perfect ones. The stunning detail in the logo is really unmissable. Now, if he's into experimental looks or is very curious about what material goes inside the frames, then you should definitely consider gifting these beautiful Gotti frames that are made from castor bean plant and are also 3D printed. They're super light and it goes with everything. Or you can also consider these beautiful frames from Wakai that have these wooden temples, and it has really intricate details and is super light. It also has really chunky frames, so they sit very well on your nose and it looks really classy. Or you can also experiment with these frames. These are from the Indian brand called Kokoleni, and they are all handcrafted and they are chunky. They have really stunning colors and shapes and very experimental, very modern, very beautiful. For a touch of old world charm, you cannot go wrong with the classic tortoise shell frames. Like these from Police, you can see that the mottled patterns and the stunning intricate details add so much more character to these frames. They are extremely beautiful and they look super nice for any look. You can keep it dressy or casual depending on the time or the occasion. And if you also look the same for sunglasses, they also have these mottled patterns. The tortoiseshell frames add so much more character and definition to the sunglasses. They look absolutely stunning. And if you're trying to find the perfect gift for someone who really likes to stand out, then go for bold colors. Beautiful, stunning frames from Off-White that are blue in color are the perfect gift for somebody who really likes to stand out. I don't know if you all saw, but we recently did a video on Off-White, and there you could see that almost every star, Ram Charan, Allu Arjun, Amitabh Bachchan, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, all were pretty much wearing this similar Off-White frame. Or you could also pick up these colors that are also bright and nice from Stones 3D, and they are 3D printed glasses. They're super light and they are really trendy. You can also see that Abhishek Bachchan and Fahad Fasil have worn these on multiple occasions. Well, don't forget about these Kokoleni that you just saw. They also come in stunning colors. At SR Gopal Rao, we understand that eyewear isn't just about looks, it's about comfort and durability. We are here to help you find the perfect gift for every occasion and for every guy in your life. This Wednesday, let's honor these wonderful men in our life who uplift our lives and enrich our lives with the perfect gift that honors them in the most special way possible.